Hey there! Get ready to be blown away because today we're diving into the world of the one and only Adele. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the soulful voice that has conquered the world. Alright, let's start at the beginning. Did you know that Adele started singing at the tender age of 4? Yep, even as a little girl, she had a voice that could move mountains. Fast forward to her teenage years, and she was already making waves in the music scene. Who could forget her breakout hit, Hometown Glory? It was just a taste of what was to come. Oh, the success that followed. Adele's second album, 21, took the world by storm. With chart-topping hits like Rolling in the Deep and Someone Like You, she solidified her place as a global sensation. She won countless awards, including a whopping 6 Grammy Awards in a single night. Talk about a powerhouse! And then came the long-awaited return with her album, 25. When Adele dropped Hello, it was like the world collectively held its breath. We couldn't get enough of her heartfelt lyrics and that incredible voice that tugged at our heartstrings. It was a true comeback for the ages. But Adele is not just a phenomenal singer, she's also got a wicked sense of humor. Her infectious laugh and down-to-earth personality make her a joy to watch. Whether she's hosting Saturday Night Live or doing hilarious interviews, Adele never fails to bring the laughter. Who wouldn't want to be her best friend? And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of Adele, the soulful voice that conquered the world. From her early days to her chart-topping hits, she's left an indelible mark on the music industry. So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments your favorite Adele song. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.